tofu scramble. It's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo. Mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle. Yeah, that's the way to go. Ooh! Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal Holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal Holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, 'cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. Good morning, everybody. Well, yesterday, a weird thing happened. The police came over. Don't worry, it turned out okay. In fact, the police are actually very kind and very helpful in my neighborhood. But the reason that they came over is that we had another death threat. We often get death threats over here because that's the way the world is. They don't like animal rights activists. They don't like the fact that we tell the truth about the meat industry, the dairy industry, and the egg industry. And so they are the kinds of people who would rather shut up the messengers. That's not going to happen. We're not going to stop speaking out on behalf of the animals. So yesterday I got an Instagram phone call from somebody I'd never met in my life, and they kept calling and I was busy. I didn't respond. I often don't respond to strangers who call me. In fact, I never do. But the person was pretty persistent, and then they sent this video that said, if you don't respond within 20 seconds, we're gonna throw a brick into your mother-in-law's window downstairs. So it was pitch dark at this point. So I said to my husband, that sounds very strange. It sounds like, just a really very specific threat. So I said, what do you think? Should we let the police know? We weren't sure at first because we thought it's just so many crazy people and there's all kinds of threats and they're from all over the world. Maybe it doesn't matter. But then we thought, it's pretty specific, so maybe we'll call the police because the police already know know us. They've been to our house many times when there've been different threats, when people have tried to break in here, when people have tried to steal our dog Bella, when people have thrown meat products over the fence, and they threw eggs at our house, and they left dead animals on our doorsteps. Like, all kinds of stuff has happened. It's pretty crazy. So we thought, we'll just let them know, because at this point it was very late at night. It was like 11 or 11:30 or something like that. Anyway, so we let them know. And then after that, another threat came, and this time it was a photo of my mother-in-law taken from a screenshot of a video that I had posted a while back. And there was superimposed on the bottom a video of somebody sort of shooting somebody else in the head. And so I thought, this person's not stopping and they're kind of escalating, so I'm gonna just let the police know. The police said, we're coming over. So the police came over and they had a look at these videos. They took a bunch of screenshots and stuff, and they told us that the procedure that we should follow is to tell the person that we don't want them to contact us anymore. This guy, I don't know how old this person is, could be anywhere from 20 to 30 or something like that. Looked slightly like Mexican or something like that, a male. And so we just thought, because the person had had their name there, and we could see their TikTok channel, and we know who this guy is. And the police said, yeah, just tell him to stop. And if he continues, you're gonna press charges, and we're gonna go after him. So they told me exactly what to text, and so I texted exactly the words that they told me to, and then he said, you're gonna write that, and then you're gonna block him. So you have it. He has the message, and you just block this guy, and that's it. So that's what we did, and then the police just said, thanks for letting us know. It's important to follow up on these things just in case. And we just want to say thanks to the police, because the police are really kind, and they're keeping an eye out on our house. And beside our house is a bicycle path, so they're patrolling, and they're super great. So to the police in Point Claire here, thank you guys so much for all that you're doing to help keep everything safe, and we really appreciate you guys. So I just wanted to say that to you guys in case you're interested. That's the update at our house here. And I want to still encourage people to be vegan and to be animal rights activists and to speak out on behalf of the innocent. Some people are crazy. That's the way the world is. Most people are very cowardly and have only, these empty threats. But we should be us. We should be brave anyway. Stand strong. Stand tall, stand proud, because you know you're doing the right thing in letting everybody know how horrible the animals are being treated. They are suffering terribly on factory farms. They live in Holocaust-like conditions where they are sexually assaulted. They have their babies taken away. Baby boy cows are removed at a young age, and they are killed for veal because humans want to steal their milk. So the dairy industry is a cycle of misery from beginning to end. It's absolutely horrific. Please, I encourage you to go and drink some oat milk, drink some soy milk, and stop buying any dairy products. If you need help, go to howdoigovegan.com or Google vegan athletes, Google vegan doctors. There are so many amazing vegan doctors out there helping you, to remind you that being vegan is healthy. And you are also going to be helping the planet, because eating meat is terrible for animal agriculture. It is something that has a lot of pollution problems that follow with water consumption and ocean dead zones. It goes on and on. I don't want to make this video too long, but just to let you know, it is also good for your health. Meat is linked to cancer. It is a class 1 carcinogen if it is processed. Bacon, sausage, ham, all of these things, pepperoni. Don't eat them just even for your own health. Do not give these things to your kids. Google vegan pizza, vegan lasagna. Use an app called Happy Cow to find places around the world. Wherever you're traveling, just go to this app. It's called Happy Cow. Type in vegan foods, and you will find vegan options in restaurants, and vegan restaurants all around the world. So thank you everybody for being here. I hope you have a great day, and I'm getting out to get some exercise, some fresh air on this chilled but beautiful morning here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher.